Alan Dershowitz, a famous lawyer and former Harvard Law professor, just had a major victory against CNN in his defamation lawsuit against CNN. That's what we're going to be talking about today. So you may be aware that Alan Dershowitz, he sued CNN for defamation for $300 million after they basically misquoted him in a way that he alleged made him look bad and basically was misrepresented what he said, which in my opinion and looking what happened, that is the case. And the judge agreed with that. The judge here said, yeah, CNN, no, you can't. Anyway, so that's what we're talking about. It looks like Alan Dershowitz, so he sued them last September when they aired this edited clip of his defending President Trump. So this was in President Trump's first impeachment trial, not the one that we just had. The one before that was about this Ukraine phone affair situation. Anyway, so CNN had aired these edited clips, and they'd basically chopped it together, which made it look like he said something in a way that he didn't say it, and then he sued him. So if you're going to kind of mess with somebody, CNN, I probably would not pick Alan Dershowitz, because CNN attorneys had filed a motion to dismiss, and this is the order that just came, was basically deciding that motion to dismiss, and CNN lost. So let's just briefly look at this order. You can see here this is between Alan Dershowitz and the cable news network, which for you kids, that's CNN. And let's just look at a few nice quotes from the judge in this order. So the order was 22 pages, and the district judge basically agreed with Alan Dershowitz on his arguments about this motion to dismiss. Here's a quote. CNN presented an abridgment of Dershowitz's answer to Senator Cruz's question. The abridgment is not accurate to the extent that it omitted a crucial qualification that an illegal motive for a quid pro quo would be corrupt. As a result, the commentator's statements that Dershowitz believes a president can do anything, even commit crimes, if it would help his reelection, are not based upon a fair and accurate summary of Dershowitz's statement to the Senate. CNN was tried to avail themselves of the fair report privilege, and the judge said that because the broadcast did not present a fair and accurate abridgment of Dershowitz's remarks, CNN cannot avail itself of the fair report privilege. The CNN broadcast segments set forth in Dershowitz's complaint were focused specifically on Dershowitz's comments to the Senate and, as presented on air, changed the gist of what Dershowitz said. Now, Dershowitz also convinced the court to keep his claim in that CNN acted with actual malice. So this was a big procedural victory for Alan Dershowitz, and I will try to keep an eye on this case and keep you posted. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.